Hi, we're about to study past modals and phrasal modals of obligation. Stay and watch the explanation.
Past modals and phrasal modals of obligation. Should have, was supposed to, had to, and needed to all describe obligations in the past, although they sometimes have different uses. I should have stayed home and studied. It was a good idea, but I didn't do it. I was supposed to be studying this weekend. It was required, but I didn't do it. I had to wear a uniform. We were forced to do this. I didn't have to go with my friends, but I did. There was no obligation. I thought I needed to have more clothes. I thought this was necessary.
Past modals and phrasal modals.
Should have is followed by a past participle, whereas was, were, supposed to, had to, didn't have to, and needed to are followed by the simple form of the verb. Had to describes strong obligation in the past and suggests there was no choice. I had to water my plants. Was, were, not supposed to suggest an expectation that the action was required or prohibited. It is comparable in meaning to wasn't, weren't allowed to. He was supposed to graduate last year. Should have suggests that the action was advisable, but was not done. Should not have suggests that the action was not advisable, but was done. He should have learned English before. Needed, didn't need to, suggests that an action was necessary, but there was choice about doing it or not. She needed to exercise. Didn't have to means that there was not obligation to do the action. They didn't have to wake up early.
Complete the following sentences with your own information. Then, compare your answers in class with a partner.